Every day you wake up is a chance to rewrite your story. Make it one worth telling. The size of your dreams should always be bigger than the limits you feel. Challenge those limits and let your dreams lead the way. Greatness doesn't come from comfort zones. Push yourself beyond what's easy and watch yourself grow. Your past may shape you, but it doesn't define you. Today is your chance to create a future that reflects who you really are. One step at a time may seem slow, but consistency is stronger than speed. Trust the process and keep moving. Don't let small minds convince you that your dreams are too big. Your vision is yours alone. Let it inspire you, not limit you. Live with purpose, act with passion, and never settle. The life you want is waiting, but it's up to you to reach for it. Start your journey now. Small steps lead to big changes.